All right, y'all. We looking at gold spot. All right. I haven't looked at gold in years. Not years, but probably like months. All right. So this was a recommendation request by Trippy Flair on YouTube. My guy. This one for you, bro. All right. So we're on the monthly time frame. I'm gonna go a tad bit slower because I'm not always looking at gold. But 100%, right? Gold has been ranging for quite some time. For the last 3 years. For whatever reason, somebody doesn't want gold to go past 1980. Only for a brief moment. The highest it's gotten in the last, 3 years is 2075. And I believe this is by the ounce, right? I think. I've never bought a gold bar before or anything, but yeah, so it's been ranging. Don't get too excited about this. It doesn't really mean anything yet, because price could literally test. But we'll see, right? All right, so I'm going to leave this as ranging bullish, because it's clear as day that it was on a uptrend before it started ranging. What was it, 3 years ago? Started ranging 3 years ago, right? I put this because this is, where price is struggling to break. All right, so yeah, it's clear as day, right? My God, Trippy Flair, it's clear as day. Price, this was the area of resistance that broke. As far as directional bias is concerned, you should see lower highs and lower lows, higher highs and higher lows in this area right here. 1, 2, 3 to confirm this break. And after that, price came up, tested this right here, and then it started to consolidate, man. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the monthly. What else do I see? It's the beginning of the month, so this candle can do anything. Like, for real, it can do anything. It's beginning. It's only May the 8th. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it does. Let's go to the weekly. All right, let me erase this because I don't know what I was doing there. All right, the weekly is bullish ranging as well, right? It's still ranging, man. Let me see. Now, clear as day, if I can get a clean one of those, I would feel a little bit more comfortable saying that it's not ranging anymore. But until that happens, yeah, man. Because look, all this is wicking out. You don't know what it's going to do, right? We don't know what it's going to do. But on the lower time frames, can you make some money? Of course, definitely, of course. But yeah, so weekly, bullish, ranging still. It's bullish because it's making higher highs and higher lows, but now it's at an area, it's at a point where it hasn't broken for the last 3 years, right? So can it break it? Maybe. But you know what happens when, everybody's buying? There's somebody selling. Don't forget that. All these big banks and, all these, I'm not even sure if it's called institutional trading, but people are buying against you. People are trying to deliberately get you out of the market. I mean, I'm just saying, don't take it personally. That's just how it is. I love trading. You just kind of got to get your way around it, right? Be smart. Understand that all of this is human emotion. People are putting all their money into gold right now because the US dollar is going down. But there's always somebody on the other side of your position. Don't forget that. Can it push up? Maybe. We'll see. But right now, this is a huge wick. Well, last week was a huge wick. Wicked out pretty bad. Potentially, it could have been just a pullback on the lower time frame, which we'll see in a second, for price to test newfound support and go back up. But yeah, definitely bullish ranging. Yeah. I marked off this area right here. This is a level of resistance, but I don't feel confident in 1, 2, 3, 4. I just don't. It's a lot of wick action. It's not like a clean 2 candles or a clean 3 candles. Somebody made money off of it though. It looks like it could be a break on the lower time frame. Then price came back down to test newfound support. You know, as you can see, this is you know, some seller's exhaustion. Then price came back up, you know, to push past it. But let's go on a daily to see. Right, so weekly bullish ranging, daily time frame. That ain't looking too bad. It's bullish. I mean, now I say that with a grain of salt, right? Well, take it with a grain of salt, because it's still gold and it's still at a weekly key level that it hasn't broken for the last 3 years, right? Take that with a grain of salt. It's nothing for some market makers to push price down here and do something like this. Nothing. Promise. And what is this? It's a head and shoulder pattern. 9 times out of 10, it'll do something like this and start going down. It's nothing for some market makers to do something like that. I promise you. They got the money and they move the market, right? So, but yeah, daily is definitely bullish. 100% bullish. You can see it clear as day. And it doesn't look that choppy to me either. Nope. If you want me to draw it, I can. Let's see. Right, I'm not going to draw this. This is all minor. You don't need to draw this, right? Draw this. Majors and minors, right? You don't have to draw all of this. This is just fluff, noise on the lower time frame. You want to know what the market is doing. So, you know, I drew this, but honestly, this is noise as well. So I really just could have kept up, you know, and deleted that, to be honest with you. Could have legit just went up like this. It's still noise, right? But yeah, let's back up a little bit. All right, so it's in an uptrend, and areas of resistance, higher highs are breaking to continue up. So let's go to the H4, see what H4 is doing. Doesn't look bad. This is just a transition, that's all. Just a little transition. It's just a transition. It's a brief consolidation. Price came up, broke it, came back down. It's 23.6 retracement. Continuation, came up, came back down. This is the real pullback right here. But yeah, no, it doesn't look bad at all. So H4, bullish. Right? So essentially, gold is bullish right now. But if you're a smart man, if you're a smart woman, you would be vigilant, right? Don't just go and start putting all your money in gold, which some people are doing. hey man, look, you can make some money. You can definitely make some money, but just be careful. It's looking bullish, I will say. Now, if this candle right here, if this candle or another series of candles decides to break clean above this area right here, I would definitely say gold would continue up, but keep your eye on the news, what the dollar is doing. If you trade DXY, excuse me, if you're trading gold, you know, keep an eye on what DXY is doing. I wouldn't try to use it as a correlation, but just be aware, you know, because it can go south very quick. What I would wait for if I was trading gold is for price to break this area clean. This isn't clean. This is a wick, you know. Doesn't look bad on the daily, but as far as the weekly is concerned, the weekly is holding up pretty well. This is a strong area of resistance until it breaks that for me, because price can do some crazy things around like a weekly key level. It can like legit reject it insanely. See this candle right here? This god awful move right here. That can happen like legit right here, just because it's at a key level. So just be careful. All right. So it's looking bullish, but it's still ranging. Okay. So that's it for gold. If y'all have any recommendations, any requests, if you like this markup I did, you want to see more markups from a different pair, it could be crypto, anything you can find on TradingView, just leave a comment below and I got you. All right. So all right, y'all, appreciate y'all for coming. I'll see y'all on the next videos. I'm out.